So welcome to YOUCANIC. Today here on YOUCANIC we're going to go over how you'd replace this mirror if it was broken or you need to do anything into it. You've got an LED light on the side here. Might be able to pull the cover off. But if you broke the mirror off or it's loose, the way we get to it. So there is a little cover that goes here, and with these electric wires that come through it. And this cover sits on like this, and then this hooks into some electric down here. And the way you get this cover off, if you take your small screwdriver or whatever you got, you just kind of push it down and push the tab, and then this cover will come off, right? And then that way you can get access to back here. We've got 3 bolts to hold the mirror on, but we have this electric, and what happens with this electric is it goes around the rail. So you got to be able to, you would have to remove the inner door panel and remove the regulator and whatnot to be able to get it out. You could possibly fish it out, but there's not a whole lot of space right here. If the window's all the way up, you can actually, no, because take this panel off, you got to take the window out. So just delete that. But anyway, so you would after you've removed the window, remove the inner door panel, and the regulator itself, then you can be able to reach your arm through here. The electric's out, so that when you take the mirror off, you can get access. So then we got 3 number 10 bolts in there. Alright, so we've removed the 3 number 10 bolts. Now the reason the window hasn't just fallen out is it's got a little clip. There's a plastic clip in there, and then we can just hold our hand on the other side, push the clip in on both sides with your screwdriver, and then now you just feed out the electric here. And that way you can remove the whole side window to be able to replace it if it's broken or not, or if the motor's broken inside, right? So then to put it back in, you do the same thing. You got to feed your electric through the hole with your new one. There's 2 metal tabs in there. Line up, clip them on, and with that plastic tab, it holds the mirror in there, so we don't have to hold it up for the moment. And then we've got our number 10 bolts to put in there. Snug them up good and tight, and then you got to make sure you run this electric back on the other side of that. It's the glide for the window. So we want to make sure we run it back on the other side of that so that it doesn't interfere with the window. And then take the cover here, get your electric line to go right through it, and you snap it into place, and then you'll hook this back into the door panel when you're ready, and put the door panel back on. So that's how you replace your side mirror on your Mazda 3. Thanks for watching YOUCANIC, where you can be the mechanic.